Hello you, it's me. I'm off up to the plot to see what fresh hell is happening up there. It's been a while. It always is a while with me at the moment between these videos. But there is one thing that I'm hoping is still around, which might be looking hot and enormous. Let's get up there and see if it's still a thing or not. Well, it's the time of year when everything is starting to shut down and plots, weeds are taking over. Just getting out of control really. I haven't been up here for weeks, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to be too happy when I open up the gate. We'll see. Right, I'm up here to burn some bills, speeding tickets and warrants for my arrest. But before I get to that, let's have a quick butcher's at the plot. Parsnips starting to go over. I think we've had a few frosty mornings, so I'll be taking some of those soon enough. Tracks. Look at this. Ray Mears style. I reckon that there could be an elephant track. Rogue elephants on the plot. Either that or maybe a deer. Who knows? You'll let me know, no doubt. Poor old bugger. Been and gone. Headless. Couple of tiny butternut squash that I could pick and just ripen off. Leeks. In the end, just didn't perform brilliantly, but there might be one or two good ones in there. Grass needs strimming. Shadow, hello. Dug that bed, so that's not too bad. Obviously got to dig that. Flower bed looks like hell, so that'll have to be weeded and smartened up. Anyway, this is what I'm down here for. I don't think I showed you this in previous videos. Check out the size of my gonad. Look at that. Big old pumpkin. Didn't plan on growing one this year, but my plot neighbour challenged me to a pumpkin off, and to be honest, I just chucked this plant in and didn't give it any love or attention. Just let it do its thing, and it's done all right. It's done okay. I don't think it's as big as last year's. Got a bit of, I don't know, scab. No idea what that is. But there we go. I did grow a big pumpkin, big-ish, on the plot this year. Halloween's been and gone, so I can't use it for anything creative like that. So I don't know, just might chop him up and put him in that bed there. Feed the bed. Who knows? But there we go. I did grow a biggish pumpkin this year. Flower bed down here again. Jesus, it just looks like hell. I need to get in, dig it all over. There's a dahlia there pumping out a bit of colour in November. and a few of those jobbies there. I don't know what happened to this sunflower head, but he's gone. I'm fairly certain I didn't do that, so who knows what happened there. And that's it. That's it for the plot this year. That was the last of anything interesting going on. As you can see, everything's got to be trimmed up, tidied, and then put to bed for winter, ready to wake up in spring. God, look at the state of that. Come on, start. There we go. Oh. Right. Just need a can of petrol now. Come on, come on. I don't actually know whether I'm allowed to burn on the plot just yet. There's all kinds of bureaucratical rules as to when you're allowed to start your bonfires. Well, I don't know. Today is that day for me. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. There we go. All evidence of my crimes and misdemeanors up in smoke. You can't catch me. Now then, before I sign off, I reached a bit of a milestone on YouTube on October the 13th, my 10-year anniversary. For 10 years, I've been putting out bang average content on this channel, and for 10 years, some of you have been watching it. So, for the 6 subscribers that are still with me 10 years on, thank you very, very much. The channel has grown at a glacial pace, just over 5,000 subscribers in 10 years. So, yeah, only another couple of hundred years before I get to, I don't know, maybe 10,000. But I'll take what I can get. I don't want to sound ungrateful. I find it amazing that you've stuck with me for so long. Anyway, I think that's just about it for this little episode. There are a couple more to come before the end of the year, so do look out for them. Christ, I almost fell off my chair then. That would have been one for the bloopers. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this one, and as it's my 10-year anniversary or just gone, let's try. Why don't you smash the like button on this video? Let's try and get it up to, I want at least 10,000 likes for this video, because the content is just top notch, absolutely top notch from me. So yeah, do hit the like button if you fancy it. Share the video around if you're feeling bored. Subscribe to the channel. That always helps. Not many people do see my videos anymore, but it's always a nice little surprise when I get the occasional subscriber. Alright. Most importantly, before I do go, do remember to comment in the comment section down below. Throw a bit of abuse at me. I'm always partial to a bit of that. And until the next one, bye for now. Shit, I almost forgot the camera.